just went out from the hotel in Athens, Greece, and the first stop is Acropolis. Now I'm gonna try to get one of the scooters. High. I'm gonna go because it's like 20 minutes walk, and if I use this one, I'm gonna spend like €1, and it's gonna be more efficient and quicker. When it's been raining and you have to ride the scooter, just don't ride it because you're gonna kill yourself. Like it's wow, it's sliding everywhere, and now I cannot ride it because it's like more like house stuff, so you have to walk. I mean, you can see the lime scooter over there, so it's gonna be probably you can ride it here also, but it's a pain in the butt, so just walk. Whoop. Probably not gonna go inside the Acropolis. The entrance is gonna take at least 15-20 minutes to go in, and maybe another 20-25 minutes to go up because it's steep, to have you picture a few videos, but that'll be probably go inside the next time. I have to come very early in the morning, maybe to be one of the first ones to be here around 7-8 when it opens. So I just sat down to have a cup of coffee because I'm just falling asleep. I'm gonna look where I can go more, so coffee, and see where I can go next afterwards. Okay, now we're just walking down to Ermo Street, and I just ate a gyro. Gyro is like a kebab, but it's very good, it's very tasty, it's very cheap, it was like €3, and it's better than McDonald's, it's better than Burger King, it's better than everything that fast food you can find. So in those countries that you like, especially the Balkans, just eat street food because it's better, the quality is much higher, the meat is nicer. So don't go to restaurants. If you want to go to restaurant, just go to a regular restaurant, don't go to fast food. Here in Greece, just buy gyro, it's Gyro, or if you're like in other part of the Balkans, like I don't know, Bulgaria, Serbia, Macedonia, just buy a regular kebab, which is the kebab meaning like dinner or pita kebab, but they're very nice. But for sure I'm gonna get one more for the way back to the hotel, and now I'm just making my way down to the street. Just gonna look what is what, and for now it's nice.
about to go and get it. That money rolling with me, so I'm rolling with it. Gucci on the waist and New Orleans on the flag on the street, calling clip. One time if you get money, 2 times if you act at the niggas from it. 3 times for the bad bitches, 4 times if you ain't even with that.
Rewind!
Okay, back to the room. My god. Oof, only we're out for how many? For 4 hours? Now I'm just gonna eat something. I bought myself one more gyro. The dinner, gonna watch something and probably gonna have a bit of rest before the flight, and back to Dubai in the morning. And gonna see you in the next time. Next will be probably gonna be Shanghai.